I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it.
Hey y'all, I'm back with some synthetic drip that I'm super excited about because it's affordable and it's part of Outre's EveryWear collection. Y'all know how I feel about that collection. If you are new here, please consider subscribing as I upload almost daily. If you're oldie but goodie, welcome back. Okay, speaking of oldie but goodie, somebody asked me a few videos back, look at my Fire Marshal Bill hair sticking out. Somebody asked me, what is this I'm wearing on my lips? This is that Rihanna Fenty Heat and the color Hot Chocolate Heat, okay? With just a brown liner on top. That's all that is. Okay, so like I said, I love the wigs that are in this collection, and boom, we got Fanta serving us with some real cuteness on this one. This one is in the style Every 42, and I got Every 42 in a color too. Let's take her out of the packaging, pull out this stock card to see if there's something else of importance on here that we need to know. The only other things of importance that I think you will want to know is that it is 20 inches long. It comes with ear to ear lace, baby hairs, and it comes with some other very pretty colors. Get all in your face. I'm gonna read from here. Over, that's blue steel, burgundy, ginger auburn, golden amber, sandy blonde, hazelnut brown, creamy ash blonde, and vampire red. So some very unique and different colors. On the front of the stock card, she's wearing her in the ginger auburn and the ash blonde. Which that ash blonde kind of look like a 613 with a dark root, don't it? I don't know, at the bottom you get some little stuff. Now you know what else you gonna get. Look at this texture, y'all know that's my favorite texture. It almost like some crinkle cut french fries. That's why my bag big. Look at the texture though. Very pretty. As far as cap construction, you do get that ear to ear lace and that lace part. Get a comb to the right, comb to the left. You get a comb in the back and some adjustable straps. Okay, before we cut this lace off of Every 42, I'm gonna put it on my head for y'all to see. Then I'm gonna cut off the lace, run a brush through it, and I'll come back with my final thoughts, you guys. Be right back.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but
All right, y'all. I'm back with my final thoughts on Every 42. Is that what I said? Every 42. And like I thought, I'm absolutely in love with this wig. This is an example of a wig that I would wear everywhere. The simplicity of it, the ease of it, the texture of it. This one is a winner. My only con is I am getting a bit of a hump up here. Y'all know I ain't got no hair, so I shouldn't be humping at all. That didn't really sound right, did it? But that's my only con. But all I gotta do is spray this down with some water, put a hot tool on it, and that hump will go down. I think that this is Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely beautiful. I love this unit. This is one that you won't see on Poshmark. It is going into my personal collection because I just love this. The price is also beautiful on this one as well. Just stay tuned for the fact that they released a short one every 41. I don't know why I didn't do 41 first. Every 41. I also have that one, the short little curly bob. That review is coming down the pipeline as well. In the comments, y'all talk to me and tell me what y'all thoughts are on Miss Every 42. Oh, somebody go ask me, how does it feel on my head? Very comfortable. Extremely comfortable. It does not feel like a lot of hair. It's not too tight on my dome. I really do like this one, y'all. Talk to me in the comments. Until next time, which will be very soon.